What y'all doing? Y'all hanging out? Y'all come over to the look. Out back, we got the parrots and stuff. Y'all see the parrots? Hey, lovey. They live around here. They live around here. I know. I stay around the corner. Hey, lovey. You okay? Alright, I'm gonna get on about my business. I just came to holler at you, say what's up with you, you know what I'm saying? You know where we at. Alright, I'll get up with you. I get back to work, okay? Alright. Peace.